Okay, everybody. It's time to show you how to create the perfect makeup and hairstyle. And today we're going to show you 2 awesome ideas. Starting off with the hairstyle, and we're doing braids as the first thing. Then using the twisting technique to wrap up the hair into a beautiful hairstyle. Now moving on to the makeup. Prepping and priming is the most important step to a whole makeup look. A little bronzer on the cheeks defines the face in the perfect way. Making the brows fuller by applying brows pomade and then moving on to the eyes. Oh wow, now that is quite the spice. Winging the eyeliner to complete the eyes in the perfect way. We're talking double wing this time. When it comes to elegant makeup looks like this, a red lipstick completes it in the perfect way. And now it's time for something different. We're talking purple. But first, prep and prime the face. Foundation and concealer make just the right base. Setting it all using loose powder, so the makeup stays the whole day. A little bronzer on the cheeks makes it just too beautiful. Moving on to the brows and the eyes. That pink hue on the crease and the outer corners is what makes this look special. Spicing it all up with that purple one right on top of the pink one, but always blending evenly. Check out that glitter. Choosing the prettiest curls for the hairstyle.